Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all fit and fine at home. Myself Sunita Pandya welcomes you all in our Maharshi Sandipani's YouTube channel. Our topic of today is natural numbers and whole number. What is natural number and what is whole number? First of all, we will learn about what is natural number. Whenever we say counting, we start counting from 1. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. If any child will start counting, he or she will also start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So it is in our nature, ये हमारे नेचर में है कि जब भी हम काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं, हम काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं 1 से. 1, 2, 3, 4. क्या आपने कभी किसी को काउंटिंग 0 से स्टार्ट करते देखा है? लाइक 0, 1, 2, 3. नो, वी ऑलवेज स्टार्ट काउंटिंग फ्रॉम 1, 2, 3, 4. ये प्रकृति में है हमारी. दैट्स वाई वी कॉल इट प्राकृतिक संख्या और नेचुरल नंबर. 1 is the smallest natural number and natural numbers are endless. There is no largest natural number. Now, what is a whole number? जब 0 डिस्कवर नहीं हुआ था तब हमारी गिनती 9 में एंड हो जाती थी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes after 9? And when 0 discovered, it becomes 10. 1 and 0 becomes 10. It means 0 ने हमारी गिनती को कंप्लीट कर दिया, पूर्ण कर दिया. इसलिए हम 0 को होल नंबर, पूर्ण संख्या कहते हैं. तो आज हम इसी के बारे में बात करेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ नेचुरल नंबर एंड व्हाट इज़ whole number and what is difference between natural number and whole number. इस वीडियो में हम ये भी देखेंगे कि what is predecessor and successor and how we write numbers on number line. So students, let us see in this video what is natural number, what is whole number, what is the difference between natural and whole number. Whole numbers and natural numbers. We see numbers all around us. We count population of a country in numbers. We count money in numbers. We find area and perimeter of a land using numbers. We even talk about the position of students standing in a queue in numbers. For example, first, second, third, etc. Natural numbers and whole numbers. We count objects using numbers like 2 girls, 5 roses, 12 balls, 20 sticks. We use numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to count objects. So, these numbers are called as counting numbers or natural numbers. Natural numbers can be used in many ways. They can be used to show quantity and position. A cardinal number tells the quantity. It answers the questions how many. For example, how many flowers, how many books, etc. An ordinal number tells the position of an object in a sequence. For example, the red colored flower is the first, the second colored flower is the second, and pink colored flower is the third, and so on. In a special case, 0 is not a counting number. For example, there is no rose. Then we say that there is 0 rose. Therefore, 0 is not a counting number. Now, let us study about whole numbers. This is a number line showing numbers from 0 to 10. 0 is not a counting number, whereas the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on are counting numbers or natural numbers. So, the number 0 together with the collection of natural numbers are called as whole numbers. In this number line, we see that the number 6 is before the number 7. So, the number 6 is the predecessor of the number 7, which is a whole number. Do we have a predecessor of 0? No, there is no predecessor of 0, which is a whole number. The successor of a whole number lies just right of a number, and the predecessor of a whole number lies just to the left of a number. 0 is the smallest whole number. Each and every whole number has a successor starting from 0. For example, 1 is the successor of 0. 9 is the successor of 8. The value of a whole number increases as we go from left to right in a number line, and the value of whole number decreases as we goes from right to left. Let us revise natural numbers and whole numbers by comparison in a tabular form. Every natural number and a whole number has a successor. There is no natural number whose successor is 1. There is no whole number whose successor is 0. 1 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest whole number. There is no largest natural number. There is no largest whole number. 0 is not a natural number. 0 is a whole number. Students, I hope your concept is clear now. Students, keep in mind one thing, that concept is power. If your concept is clear, then you can understand everything very well. So, thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.